Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here today. We've got a keyboard to share with you. We got this for my husband. He's having to move from working at home to going to the office and he needed a keyboard. So this is great. It has large, big letters and numbers, super easy to see. It is a traditional USB plug-in. So if you only have type C or other, whatever, you might need an adapter. It does not come with that. So this has really cool backlight LED lights as well. You can change them really easily, green, red, blue. It's kind of a yellow-green, purple, turquoise, light blue, and off. And this does have little stands, so you can either have it flat or you can put up the little stands to give it a little bit of an angle. Nice, smooth down here if you have a wrist pad or you just want this to kind of go into your desk, but super easy to use. We're enjoying it. Hope you do too.